Hey guys, welcome to Pregnancy and Postpartum TV. We're going to dive right into some core exercises for after pregnancy. We're going to work on healing any gap or diastasis recti, as well as tightening and flattening tummy after baby. This is one video in a series of videos that I add to a playlist for diastasis recti and core healing exercises after baby. So if you like videos like these, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Of course, always consult with your doctor or your physiotherapist before starting any new exercises. Get clearance after pregnancy, as well as don't do anything that causes any pain or coning or discomfort. All right, let's get started. So you can come to your side. So we're going to get down safely on our side. We can come up onto our elbow and on our knees, so kind of a modified side plank, and press up. You can place your hand on your hip, and we're going to start with 10 hip dips. But before we start, we want to picture zipping up and in our core as if we were zipping up a corset. We can Kegel and we will dip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Great job. Now we will extend our top leg and we can do 10 leg lifts. Again, making sure our core is tight and engaged. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Great job. So we can let our hip down and we're going to do some little leg circles, which is going to make sure that our inner core muscles are engaged, just to be able to do these small movements. So engaging our core, engaging our pelvic floor, and we'll do leg circles. So I'll let you do it on your own time. Try not to move our body and our core while we do the leg circles. And we'll go the other way. Beautiful. And we can release that down. Perfect. All right, let's switch to the other side. So we'll set up for our modified side plank, engaging our core and pressing up, hand on our hip, and making sure our pelvic floor is activated, our core is activated, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Amazing. We can lengthen out our top leg, and now 10 leg lifts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release down. And we will get ready for our leg circles. And we'll go one way, engaging our core. Good, and a couple more here. And switching other way. Trying not to move our body. And release down. Great job. From here, we're going to get safely down onto our back. So letting yourself down on your side and then coming flat on your back, finding a comfortable position. Feet are flat on the floor. And we're going to do some pelvic tilt exercises. And so we can engage our pelvic floor, picturing a blueberry at the opening of our vagina and picking it up. And then at the same time, we're going to press our back then into the ground and tighten and pull in our lower abdominal muscles. So if you're doing this properly, it actually should feel like a lot of work. And we'll release, exhale, Kegel, press your lower back in, and slight pelvic tilt. Good. And release. And again, Kegel, press, and tilt up. Good. And release. We're going to add in a bridge to this. Now we can Kegel, press, and then press up and lower down and fully relax. And we'll do that again. Kegel, pressing your lower back, engaging your core, pressing up into your bridge, and releasing it down. Beautiful. From here, we have a couple of different options because diastasis recti can vary so much. You really want to see where you are and how much you can tolerate, and you don't want to get any coning. So if your gap is quite wide and you're getting coning, then we're going to do a toe tap where you're just lifting one leg up, you're engaging your core while you lift, exhale, and then release down. But if your diastasis recti has healed a little bit more and you're able to, you could actually bring both legs up and then exhale and release one leg down from here. So whichever one is safe for you, you can do, and we'll do 10 on each side. And 2 more on this side. Great job. And we'll do 10 more on the other leg. 10, 9, and exhale. We'll release down. Fully relax, take a breath. And the next one I'm going to do is heel slides. So we're going to engage, zip up your core set, Kegel, and then you can slide your heel down out on the ground and then bring it back in. Again, we're breathing into our ribs so that we can fully engage while we do that. Alternatively, if you don't have a diastasis recti or it's more healed, you can bring your legs up and then exhale. You can release your leg along the ground like that. So whichever one is feels right for you, and we'll do 10 on each side again. Kegel, engage, and slide. And last one on this side. Good. And we'll switch sides, fully relax and engage, and heel slide on the other side. Good, and we'll do one more on this side and bring it up and fully relax. And we're going to roll over on our side and come back up into our modified plank, and we can stretch our leg out, stretch one arm, and we'll do a half frog. So kind of doing a side crunch. We'll bring our knee and our elbow up together. Good. And I'll let you do 10 of these on your own time. Core is tight and engaged. Pelvic floor is activated and lifted. And last one. Beautiful, and we'll do that on the other side. And engaging your core and pelvic floor, and lift. Last one, and release down. All right, we have one more exercise. We'll go up onto all fours, and for this one, we're gonna find a neutral spine, so not sway back or arched, but neutral spine. We can tuck our toes. We're going to engage our pelvic floor and zip up our lower abs, tucking them in, and then we're going to press into our hands and feet and lift our knees off and breathe into your ribs. Core keeps engaged. And release down. And now try to press your knees into the ground, engaging your core. And release. We'll lift up our knees one more time and engage, lift. And release down. And imagine pressing your knees into the ground, through the ground. And release. All right, that is it for today. Even 10 minutes a day of core or diastasis recti healing exercises can make such a big difference in healing your core after pregnancy. I will also link to my complete guide on how I healed my 4-finger diastasis recti gap after my baby, so you can find that in the description box below. And of course, if you like videos like these, please support me. You can hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the thumbs up. And I'd love to hear from you guys too. So let me know how old your baby is and how your core healing after pregnancy is going in the comments below. Great job, and thanks so much for joining me. I really hope that helped your core. I know these exercises regularly really helped me, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.